Okay, a few updates on the Lowrider 3. I've pretty much got it set to where it's using the entire table. Everything's pretty much lined up. I'm still going to put probably some 3/4 inch all the way down through here to create an open space in the middle so I can put a wasteboard, same way with that side there, be running down the length. I'm just setting all this up to make sure everything works. But I did make myself a probe, real quick and easy, just out of some aluminum plate that I had off my old 3D printer that died, a alligator clip, and I've got this connection here, a DuPont with the pins. It's hard to see. So it will actually connect in right here, so that way I can just plug it up when needed. But got the new vacuum hose, which is a little stiff. I'll give you that. It's very stiff, but I think it'll work. At least it's working for right now. Did have to make a small little 3D printed, it's hard to see in there, the black spacer that goes all the way around the tube. This tube here that inserts is 1 3/4 inch, and the hole was actually 1 7/8, so I just made a spacer to go around on the inside so it'll fill the gap. Do have one issue though, and I'm trying to figure this out, and I'm not sure exactly what is going on. My limit switches are triggering. I thought maybe there was an issue with one of the limit switches, so what I ended up coming up with was these little pads that go onto each one of the limit switch adjustment screws. Did them here and also on the length, on the Y for each side. I was going to do one for this one here, but there's not much space to be able to do it, but I've got one on each side, as you can see right there. And that seems to work really well, especially for the roller type limit switches, like this right here. The issue that I've got right now is this Z limit switch, for some strange reason, triggers. It sees it. It clicks. It works, but I've never seen this before, so I'm going to home this so you can see what's going on. So right now I'm getting ready to home the Z. Bear with me, I'm going to swing over really fast so you can see what's going on. So as this goes up, it stops. It sees the limit switch. Then it drops to do it slowly to be more precise. Stopped, goes down, starts going up, clicks, but it keeps going up. And I'm not sure why. Sometimes it will actually go up so far that it jams into this part right here and starts skipping in the motor. But let's see if we can do that again. It's repeatable for sure. I'm just going to move this down and go back to home, because what happened is I'm trying to set, well, hang on, you can hear. And this time it didn't. It worked. Maybe it's not repeatable, maybe it's random, but sometimes it does not. I mean, it clicks, it registers on the board, you can see the light lighting up for the limit switch, and everything seems to be good, but this one side doesn't always stop. It stops initially, drops, and then it just sometimes keeps going up. I'm gonna try it one more time, see if I can reproduce it. Maybe it is random. I've got my Wi-Fi board here. I unplugged because I thought maybe that had something to do with it, and I have nothing else plugged up to this. Let me just move this back down. We'll drop it. 60 millimeters. we'll go back up to home and Z. Let's try it again, see if it does it. Saw it. And it stopped. Maybe it's not completely repeatable. Maybe it's just acting strange. But regardless, I'm trying to set my level. And a little trick, how I'm setting my level is if you have two of these, what I've done is I've alternated them to where I can verify the level on this side versus this side. As you can see, I'm a little high there, so I need to drop this side a little bit, but that's what I was in the process of doing when my limit switch, or at least this side of the Z-axis, kept going up. So maybe I can figure it out. I don't know. If you got any suggestions, let me know. Thanks.